So come to find out, you guys, it's a VR38 actually. It's swapped. GTR motor. Nah, I'm joking.
I know that costs like a little 15K. Had to take off the all-wheel drive.
Signature edition or what? Hey, this is clean, bro. Just picked it up, huh? New
I
edition?
had that one for like, well, it's been like 3 months now.
Yeah, it's new. It's new to them though. It's new to them.
Yeah, it's new to them.
It's new to them. We might get y'all a review.
Yeah, don't pay attention to the rims though. You know that wasn't all me.
Oh, the curve
All
rat.
the little curve rashes and shit.
It's all good. It's all good. So what have you done to it so far?
Shit, so far, but we only put little visors on there. Let me open her up real quick. Might be a little dirty on this side. Just got off work.
It's
But
all good.
got the little carbon fiber thing on the shifter, and on the steering wheel. Something slight so far. It's gonna be the slow things that make it come together at the end.
Hell yeah, bro. This shit's hard.
Oh yeah.
We gonna get straight into it. Hey. Got the Krispy Kreme. What y'all know about that? But yeah, we finna go to Cars and Coffee again, y'all. It's another one today. This one in Riverside. I just washed my car last second. Cold start right here. Fucking made it.
What's up,
Damn,
brother?
this shit's hard, bro. This is tough. Okay, on the Chrome Nismos, it's clean. Where are the lights? Is that a tomato? Hey, the carbon fields. Hey, you know where I'm going, bro. You know where I'm about to go already. Look to that. This shit's hard, these woods. I like how this shit looks mean up front, bro.
I go high M2's pop when they start, but they're not quick. I think out of all of them, that one right there is my favorite.
This shit's clean.
It's because you're still fast. My foot slipped and it hit the back brake. Otherwise,
Okay, what you think about this, bro?
I don't like these
This shit's tough, too. Look how low that is, bro. Carbon trunk, man. Hey, hold on. Hey, Rudy, tell him to make that shit go. Once he'll do it once he sees it, huh?
But it's dirty. So don't get too goddamn close because it's motherfucking dirty.
Oh yeah, 40? What?
I said it would be an Asian.
Like my car, bro, that shit's...
Got tired, dog?
Shit was butt.
Don't get the motherfucking tent in this hole. Look at the tent in that hole. Look at the...
And what happened there?
Hey, man, we ain't gonna talk about it, man. Just know, niggas try to hit me with the Pro Tool. No, I'm just trolling. I don't know, bro. It just messed up. Like, I need to do my tent.